What's up, guys? Good morning, well, rather good afternoon. Captain A330 once again with another aircraft review for 2017. Now, both Midge HD and 777 Die Hard Forever featured Iberian Airways Airbus A340-642, but they never reviewed this aircraft. This is Iberia Airbus A330. It's in the scale 1/200 by Skymarks. I'll give you a tour of the aircraft, starting with the cockpit and the cockpit windshield wipers, and moving to the L1 door, and down towards the Iberian livery, the two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings, and we have a registration number. Registration is FWWKA. Foxtrot, Whiskey, Victor, Foxtrot, Golf. Well, or it could be Alpha. Alright, there's the registration, the new Iberian livery, and now have a look at the APU and the horizontal stabilizers. There are camera, there are lights that are mounted on the horizontal stabilizers as the aircraft is flying at night or taxiing. And I'm going to take you up along the port and starboard side section of the aircraft, starting with the tail, one of the cargo container doors, the wings of the Airbus A330, Rolls-Royce turbofan engine come up along the starboard side of the aircraft, and another cargo bin to load up baggage. Iberia is a member of Star Alliance, one of 40 airliners that includes United, Lufthansa, Air Canada, Scandinavian Air Systems, Air New Zealand, and other airliners that makes up Star Alliance. Iberia was formed in Spain in 1932, and it has a total of or at least about some 150 destinations, mostly in Europe and mostly in North America and in South America as well. Both with the Airbus A340, the A340-642, and the Airbus A330. This aircraft right here, I got as a Christmas present last year on December 25th, 2016. And I'll give you a bird's eye view of the Airbus A330. Very beautiful view. Give you a look at the starboard side of the aircraft. And come over to the side. And that's it for this aircraft review of Iberian Airways Airbus A330. If you have any comments, please leave your comments in the comments section down below. And like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you around.